go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another week in my life. We're actually starting this week off on a Thursday, so a little bit of a switch up here. We actually just got home from vacation last night, so we are currently just in the unpacking and resetting phase of getting back from a vacation. So I've been catching up on work all day. It is currently 4 p.m. and I just finished editing my YouTube video and posting it. I was a little bit late today, so sorry. I posted the vlog from my friend's engagement and that was really fun. And then I also, of course, answered inquiries for weddings and all the good things. But right now it's 4 o'clock. We need to desperately go to the bank and withdraw some money before they close in like an hour. So let's go to the bank and then maybe run and stop at the store to get some dinner.
You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk.
All right, guys, so we have some visitors. We have Emily, Kylie, and Sarah. We are about to watch the first 2 episodes of The Summer Has Turned Pretty Season 3. It looks like Kylie made a fun little cake. Is this why you voted?
Yeah,
for the poll?
just to make sure we had no Jeremiah weirdos.
I love it. So cute.
I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2 outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Good morning. I just did a little bit of my morning routine and now I'm actually heading off and driving up to Keegan's work and going to grab some lunch with him. We also just have some tasks and stuff that need to get done. So we go up, do all of that up there, and then hopefully come back and actually clean up the house and get it ready after being gone from vacation for so long. It's such a mess and it needs cleaned up. Hi, can I please just do a small cotton candy blizzard? Guys, these are like my favorite thing about summer is if you're new here. First off, welcome, but second, I love anything and everything cotton candy flavored and especially the cotton candy blizzards from Dairy Queen. They're so good. So I just went up and got lunch with Keegan on his lunch break and now I'm stopping and getting a cotton candy blizzard for the ride home. It's a bit of a drive, but then once we're home, we will start to clean up. Okay, I am showered and refreshed and ready. It's actually Friday. Weekly vlog is kind of in the middle of the week into the early of next week. I thought I would switch it up, but just got refreshed and ready because today's Friday and this evening we are going out bowling with some friends. It's like duck pin bowling. I don't know. I don't think I've ever done it, so this should be interesting. Here's my outfit. I'll be honest, the top and the shorts I both got off a TikTok shop. I swear they're out to get me. They target me all the time, but this is so cute. It's like a skirt in the front and shorts in the back. It's actually from Princess Polly, so I'm obsessed. And then just this little cardigan, and this top is from Amazon. But I think I'm going to run out to my office and film a few TikToks really quick before we go. We also need to get a graduation present for a friend. We're going to a friend's graduation tomorrow morning. So excited and happy for her. It's our friend Maddie. She's our last friend, I believe, to be graduating. So that's exciting. But yeah, we need to get some sort of present for her and we'll see where the rest of the weekend takes us. Yay, she graduated! happy Saturday. We just went and spent the morning. We drove an hour to Muncie, which is where we went to college actually, because one of our friends was graduating. So we went to her graduation. That was fun. Then we went out to lunch and now we are back home. It's like 2 p.m. So we're just gonna relax, probably put on some comfy clothes. I have this dress on, but I'm going to change. And then I actually think we're going to go to our local fair. Just started and they always have like milkshakes and elephant ears and stuff like that. But for now, we're going to relax. Hi guys, happy Sunday. We are on full on Sunday reset routine over here. I have laundry going, dishes going. It's always just the best feeling, having stuff cleaning and getting prepped for the new week. So currently out in my office, just wanted to recap you on yesterday. We went to the fair for dinner and then we went and had drinks with friends in the evening. Don't think I filmed any of that part. And then now today I woke up and edited my video because on Sundays and Thursdays I post YouTube videos. So edited and posted my Gatlinburg travel vlog and now here we are, cleaning and out in my office, catching up on work. I'm answering emails and responding to my manager and just getting prepped for the new week ahead of time. I feel like sometimes I save this for Monday and then I regret it because I feel so overwhelmed when the work week has begun. I already feel like behind, so I'm glad to get a start on it today. But obviously in these weekly vlogs, there is much more to my days than just the highlights of my day, which is often what I show you all. So I wanted to show you all a little bit of how I show up for myself. There is an app called Rosebud that I've been loving to use to reflect on my days and how I've been feeling. Rosebud is kindly sponsoring this video today, so thank you. So if you're new to Rosebud, it's basically an AI-powered wellness app. Here's what a look at the welcome screen kind of looks like. You set your morning intention, your evening intentions, have some little messages and reminders here, and then a daily prompt as well. There is so much more, and I just love that it is so personalized and unique. Personally, I've been loving typing in my morning intentions and my evening reflections each day because it helps me set goals based on what information I enter. So for example, on vacation last week, I had written down as my morning intention that I loved waking up and seeing the sunrise over the mountains. Rosebud then suggested that I set a goal to watch the sunrise each day, plan a stress-free day monthly, and explore nature trails weekly, and then a bunch of more goals just based off of what I had said. I thought that those were so cool and like very attention to the detail of what I was reflecting on. There are also personalized journals that come with preset questions for you to fill out and mentor you. I personally love the motivational interviewing one. Everything is of course private and encrypted as well, so you know you can be honest and vulnerable. But like I said, no matter where I am, Rosebud's personalized action plans always help keep me on track. It's just so cool because the emotionally intelligent AI helps know and understand you over time. I feel like I have my own little companion helping me out. It's definitely something that I love and look forward to as part of my routine now. It even shows you a little calendar of your streak of how many days you've used it. But yeah, Rosebud has definitely been helping me stay grounded each day now that it is part of my routine, which in turn helps me stay productive each day as well. So if you guys want to try out Rosebud, you can head down to the link in my description to try it out for $12.99 a month and get an exclusive 15% off that you can't get anywhere else. So very exciting. I will have all that information down in the description again as well. And I hope you guys love Rosebud as much as I do. quite the productive day so far. We are clean in the kitchen and living room area. Laundry is still going. Just made dinner and we actually finished up all the dishes and everything's clean. So feeling great about that. Still have a few hours of daylight right now. It's 8 o'clock, so maybe a few more minutes. I don't know. I'd say like an hour more left of daylight. So I'm going to actually go out to my office and film an Apple Watch unboxing, an AirPods unboxing. It is due for tomorrow's sponsorship, so don't mind the ice maker back there. And so basically I just want to get it filmed so I can edit it tonight or in the morning to send in tomorrow. All right, guys, it is 9:45 p.m. I just finished filming those videos. They took a lot longer than I thought. The sun is way past set. It's so dark. But honestly, it's not too bad out here lighting wise. So glad though I got those done and it is all finished. And now I don't have to stress about it tomorrow. So I'm excited and Keegan loves his new watch. I gave it to him. I already have one. But yeah, productive Sunday. Now we need to go do some laundry. Yay!
So bright and gray behind an end.
Morning, I spent the whole morning editing. Just finished that video though and submitted it, so that is done. And now it is time to try out the coffee beans that I ordered. I don't know if any of you follow Natalie Zasek. I've been following her for at least 4 years now though, and she just came out with her own coffee brand. So I of course had to order something and try it because I love coffee. You guys have seen my espresso machine. So I thought we could unbox it together and make lattes together for the first time with it. Then after we have our lattes, we still have more work to do. My to-do list is still very long. So my sister Sarah is here actually. Hey! She's over here also editing, trying out some new headphones that I might give to her. We also had some clothing come in for an event that we're going to next week, so very exciting. But yeah, let's make some lattes so we can get some work done. So cute. Stir.
That's good.
So good.
That's good.
Delish.
I finally get the hype.
I want to drink this whole thing.
This is really good. Wow, I'm impressed.
Amazing!
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then, so much easier then.
Good morning! This is sadly the last day of this vlog, but we're going to make it a good one. First, I'm going to go out to the garden and pick some flowers, I think, for our little coffee table right here. And then I got this insanely massive TV in the mail, and I would like to set it up as much as I can before I go and get coffee. So I'm going to a cute little coffee shop, and I'm going to get some work done and meet up with somebody. So those are our plans for the morning. I have maybe 10 minutes to open this up, so we'll see if I get around to it.
Because they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. No, we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things.
Okay, yeah, no time for the TV, I gotta get going. But as I was outside, I found an unfortunate discovery. I think some bees have maybe accidentally made their little hive under our deck. There's 7 of them just swarming around, hovering 3 inches above our deck, and then trying to get in between the little things. So, oh, that's unfortunate because I feel like I can't even let the dogs out because they'll get stung. And also, my dad is low-key really allergic to bees, so it makes me scared that I could potentially be allergic to bees. I haven't been stung since I was young. So, yay, that's awesome. So excited to deal with that.
To those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, baby. after nothing, baby.
Okay, coffee went so well, but now I am out at the grocery. I just decided last minute to come and get some groceries for the week since I was already in town. We're going to just kind of get some of the basic ingredients, but then I also think I need to go to Costco someday this week. Probably should today, but we'll figure it out. I am gonna throw my AirPods in though and listen to some music or maybe my audiobook while I'm in there shopping. Okay, grocery run was successful. I actually found the Diet Cherry Coke that I've been wanting to try really badly, so excited about that. But now I was gonna go home, but honestly, I think I'm gonna go to Jimmy John's and get some. Sounds so good right now. It's hot outside, like a nice crisp cold sandwich sounds delicious. So I also started this audiobook this morning, so I'm very excited about that. Good so far, only at 18% through, but I'm just gonna listen to that and go get some lunch.
Where did the time go?
Hello.
Hi.
Okay guys, I just went out and sprayed for weeds and wasps, and now the dogs cannot go outside and he is throwing a fit. He's not happy. He really wanted to go outside, but you can't, you'll get sick. Actually, I don't even know what happened, but I know it can't be good. So they're not allowed to go out back the whole rest of the day. We're gonna have to walk them out front. But now it is 2 o'clock and I need to either film a sponsorship or open up this TV. I want to open up the TV, but I think I should film the sponsorship first. I also need to flip the laundry. Okay, that's my to-do list for the next like 10 minutes. But also I want to tell a story. When I was out spraying weeds, we have an outdoor rug, but it just keeps getting flipped over with the wind, so I've just kind of given up. But I went and flipped it over to like, you know, get it back to normal, and I literally screamed that there was a big toad, like the size of my fist, just hiding in there, and I was like, oh my gosh, hi buddy, did not mean to disturb your peace. So we'll see if he's still back there or not by the time we go back out in a few hours, but thought that was funny. It actually scared me so much.
Don't forget the fact that I believe in what we had. Holding on, how much can we both take when life isn't at home? I can't hear.
Okay, we just set up this new TV, and you guys, it's actually insane. I am obsessed with it. And then also, I feel like I said this something about this a few days ago, but I don't know if you guys can hear that. Our ice machine is making ice right now, which is amazing. I am so excited because I thought it was broken. We were gonna have to try and figure something out, but all of a sudden it just started making ice, I think. I'm gonna have to go check, but I think we're in the clear. Thankfully, I'm not gonna have to have someone come fix it. I love it. I was on it, playing around with it. There's more ice and more. But it's insane. I will have more videos, like short form stuff coming on this in the future, so get excited because I'm so excited. The dogs are snoozing now, and I think I'm going to go unwind, take a shower. I did my rose bed for the day, and I'm ready to just go to bed. So thank you all so much for coming along and following along this whole week in my life. I've truly had a great week so far, and I'm glad I got to take you all along. If you made it to this point in the video, comment the TV emoji, since I just got a new TV. Again, don't forget to check out Rosebud down below. I will have all that information down in the description. I've been absolutely loving it. That's going to be it for this video, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys here again soon. Bye!